Good morning, friends. Session 55 Problems on Consumer Price Index Number. Calculate a CPI. CPI means Consumer Price Index Number. The other name for the Consumer Price Index Number is the Cost of Living Index Number. From the following data by Aggregate Expenditure Method and Family Budget Method. Here there are 5 commodities are there and 2006 consumption 5 quintals for the A commodity, 20 kgs for the B, 15 liters of C, 5 dozens of D, 10 meters of E. Prices for the year 2006 1000, 10, 25, 12, 30. For P, prices for the 2007 1500, 12, 30, 18, 20. Here we have to calculate the consumer price index number, the other name for the CLI, cost of living index number. Here the item A, B, C, D, E and consumed in the 2006 5 quintals, 20 kgs, 15 liters, 5 dozens, 10 meters. So this is the quantities for the base year. Here in the Fisher's index number, we consider the aggregate expenditure method, consumer price index number. We consider the quantities also. That it is the 5, 20, 15, 5, 10. Then base year prices 1000, 10, 25, 12, 30. So this is the base year prices has been considered as the P0. P1 prices for the 2007, 1500, 12, 30, 18, 20. It is considered as the P1. P1 means prices for the current year. Then we have to apply the formula for the aggregate expenditure method as the sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0. Sigma P1 Q0 has to be multiplied. P1 means current year prices. Q0 base year's quantities. First you have to multiply P1 Q0. P1 is the prices for the current year. Q0 quantities for the base year. Here P1 1500. 1500 into 5, 7500. 12 into 20, 240. 30 into 15, 450. 18 into 5, 90. 20 into 10, 200. So this is about the P1 Q0. For the aggregate expenditure method, here we are considering the current year prices and the base year's quantity. In the same way, in order to apply the formula, here P0 Q0. Prices for the base year and quantities for the base year has to be multiplied so that we will get the total. The total is required in the denominator. For this P0 Q0 1000 into 5, 5000. 10 into 20, 200. 25 into 15, 375. 12 into 5, 60. 30 into 10, 300. So this is about the P0 Q0. For the aggregate expenditure method according to it, P01, that it is the index number according to the aggregate expenditure method. If you divide the sigma P1 Q0 by the sigma P0 Q0, you will get the here a fraction that has to multiply it by 100, so that will get the P01. For this, here the total we have to get it 7500, 240, 450, 90, 200. Total is 8480. 8480 has to be taken in the numerator. In the same way, for the P0 Q0, 5000 plus 200 plus 375, 60, 300, 5935, 5935. 8480 divided by 5935 into 100. So that will get the 142.88. 142.88 is the, that is the P01. P01 means index number according to the which method? Aggregate expenditure method. In the same way, we can calculate the family budget method. In the family budget method, the formula is that it is the P01 is equal to sigma IW divided by sigma W. Here I means price relatives. How we will get the price relatives? That it is the P1 over P0 into 100. P1 is the prices for the current year. Prices for the current year. P0 prices for the base year. Prices for the base year. We have to divide so that we will get the I price relatives into 100. 1500 into 1000 into 100. So that I is equal to 150. 12 divided by 10 into 100, 120. 30 into 30 divided by 25 into 100, it comes to 120. 18 divided by 12 into 100, 150. 20 divided by 30 into 100, you will get the 66.66%. So these are the I. How we will get the I? P1 divided by P0 into 100. So these are the price relatives. Price relatives. We call this one as the price relatives or the index number according to the here the I method. Then this I has to be multiplied with the weights. Here weights are the Q0, base year's quantity, and base year prices. Here you have to multiply 150. That it is the 150 I, then W. 150 into W is the 5,000. 5,000 into 150, 7,50,000. 120 into 200, 2,400. 120 into 375, 45,000. Then 150 into 60, 9,000. Then 300 into 20,000. Total it comes to 8,48,000. 8,48,000. Here IW it is equal to 8,48,000 and sigma W is equal to 5,935. Sigma W is equal to 5,935. It comes to 142.88. 142.88. So in the two methods, by the aggregate expenditure method and the family budget method, the P01 is equal to 142.88. Whatever it may be the method you consider, whether the aggregate expenditure method or the family budget method, index number are same. Index number are same. Now, in the second problem, they are asking about the construct the index number for 2007 on the basis of 2002 from the following data using family budget method. They are asking to find the family budget method only. For that, they have given the commodities. How many commodities are there? There are A, B, C, D, E, F commodities. Quantity for the 2002, 12, 8, 4, 9, 5, 4. Price 50, 40, 70, 70, 20, 200. Price 2007, 60, 45, 80, 90, 40, 200. Then here we have been taken the A, B, C, D, E, F commodities, Q0, P0, P1. After this, we have to multiply P0 into Q0, that is divides P0 into Q0. 50 into 12, 600. 40 into 8, 320. 70 into 4, 280. 70 into 9, 630. 20 into 5, 100. 200 into 2, 400. Then I, how we will get it means it is the P1 divided by P0 into 100. P1 60 divided by 50 into 100. It is the 120. 45 divided by 40 into 100, 112.5. 80 divided by 70 into 100, 114.8. 90 divided by 70 into 100, 128.57. 100 That is the 40 divided by 20 into 100, 200. 200 divided by 200 into 100, 100. So these are the price relatives or index number according to the price relatives I. Now we have to multiply WI. 600 into 120, 72,000. 320 into 112.5, 36,000. 280 into 114.28, 32,000. 630 into 128.57, 81,000. 100 into 200, 20,000. 400 into 100, 40,000. Total 2,81,000. According to the family budget method, the formula for the P01. P01 is equal to, it is the sigma IW over sigma W. I means price relatives. W means weights. Here, if the weights are the expenditure given directly, we can take it directly. If the P0 and Q0 separately given, P0 means prices for the base year and quantities for the base year. That has to be multiplied in order to get the total of the weights. Here, sigma IW, it is the 2,81,000. Sigma W 2,330. It comes to 120.6. So this is the index number according to the family budget method. For the taking the 2002 as the basis, the current year is 2007. Here we can take 2002 as the base year or 2003 as the base year, whatever it may be the base year they have been prescribed, that we have to consider. On that basis only you have to calculate the index number. Here they given 2002 as the base year and 2007 as the current year. On that basis we have been considered the index number, and index number are, it is the 120.6. Thank you.